Greetings in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, one true God. We hope that the visuals provided in this film, together with the explanations, will help you to come to a better understanding of the central act of the Orthodox Christian worship, namely the Holy Kurbana, or otherwise known as the Holy Eucharist. A very brief history of the Orthodox Church in India is essential for a better understanding of some of the practices of our church. We believe that Saint Thomas, one of the 12 apostles of Christ, came to India in 52 AD. His saintly life and his preaching of the good news about Jesus Christ led many of the local families to embrace the new faith. They came to be known as St. Thomas Christians. The St. Thomas Christian community today is not only a witness to the early origins of Christianity in Kerala, but also a living example of an indigenous Christian culture, Margam Kali. The history of the community is also expressed through many traditional art and dance forms, one of which is called Margam Kali. The Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church, with its headquarters at Kottayam, Kerala, under the spiritual leadership of His Holiness the Catholicos Basilius Marthoma Matthews II, is a national independent church with its members spread all over India and the world. Wherever our people have gone, they have taken with them their ancestral faith and traditional forms of worship. But the one act that draws them together and gives them spiritual nourishment is the Holy Kurbana.